when you're anxious, you got the tunnel vision, you're just thinking panicky responses.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because it's not about trying to figure out how to change things that are going to happen to us. That's out of our control. We can control how we respond to the things that are going to happen to us.
Like, I'm about to choose a response to this dog.
Ooh, okay, breathe. Real quick, take a breath. Think good thoughts. Living on toast of time. Living on toast
Dog
of time.
problem
solved. The one quick choke out.
Sleeper hold.
That was a fast silence. I heard a no.